When you're building a Bixby capsule or a voice application for any platform, one of the challenges is getting your natural language training right. Let's jump into our example capsule and see how something called Bixby continuations helps you do that. All right, how far is Earth from Mercury?
Earth is 57 million miles away from Mercury.
All right, now I'm going to take a little verbal shortcut and say, and from Venus.
Earth is 26 million miles away from Venus.
That verbal shortcut was modeled as a continuation. And another one, and to Mars.
Mars is 74 million miles away from Venus.
So you saw, I said, and from Venus and to Mars. Both verbal shortcuts. How do you do this with Bixby? You model those as what are called continuations. Let's jump over to the Bixby Developer Studio and see how you do that. All right, I'm over here in the Bixby Developer Studio. Here's the model for my very first utterance. How far is planet name from planet name? Pretty straightforward stuff. I'm not going to go over this right now. I want to show you the two continuations. All right, there was and from. That's and from Mars, okay? Mars is modeled as a concept, so and from planet name. But notice this, compare distance result is a continuation of compare distance result. What that tells Bixby is when I show the output from compare distance result, that action, if I then utter this phrase, rerun the compare distance result action with that new input. All right, let's see the other one. And that was and to. Boom, very similar. Compare distance result is a continuation of compare distance result. So there you saw how using Bixby continuations, you can model what I call verbal shortcuts. And that is your Bixby Tech Tutorial of the week.